Look, ask what people them do to the fish them. I don't know who did this. It's not my place.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
People, look on the hairdresser. Look on the hairdresser.
Not taking any bookings though. But I'm doing a little fix up.
People, my hair was a hot mess. The lace was all over the place. Was just showing, so man, I did a try to fix up as much as possible and give me a little hot girl look.
So that's one down.
She Jack of all, Jenny of all trade.
Jenny out here.
Jenny of all trade. Watch my sister. Yeah.
But yeah, you can give a little tips here and there, a little something, something. You know, a little something. Just don't do that something here for purpose.
She do her thing, people. No, me she chat to you.
Nah,
She
not
tell her
talk to you.
foolishness. Just
Not chat to you.
just watch her do her work, cause she do her thing, and this is for the first time someone there didn't hear it.
First time I do, like a week. I'm a hair person. Don't do braids or nothing like that. Just hair, like natural hair.
Oh guys, if you never realized, you're watching Kenisha Says. I forgot I didn't do an intro for this video. But you're watching Kenisha Says, the Jamaica version. I am home with my family and my friends, and I'll be going home in a couple of days, but I'm having a blast. We're getting ready to go to lunch. We're doing a family lunch.
Late lunch.
Yeah. What do you call it? Lunch dinner.
Yeah, dinner lunch dinner.
So, man, I just have to look sorts out.
And yes, you might say it's not neat, it's not supposed to be neat. It's a little bit of a
Man, nobody nice.
look where I go for. Yes, man, hey, you don't know them people, some of them are professional hairdresser. I'm telling you something.
Well, it was a professional that did my hair.
Okay.
That's saying.
Just saying.
These people may kind of save my life. I cannot cane wrong. I cannot braid it for touching the call it. I cannot do this on them. I kind of regular plait. And twist.
Should I try about me hair if you kill me, I see?
You don't so love it though.
I feel like a big woman when you're done.
You try to bump it and lose it out and send her back to school.
Just call me curly soon.
You saw that man now? Man, I do my ear so she can't answer. I have video so I can't answer my phone. What you say, man? Okay, I get ready too. Chop box side, I can't manage your boy now. Man, I know if you don't want to get ready and just come straight over here and then we just drive, man, I can't go where. Instead of come over this and have to come back this way, yeah? Yeah. Alright, cool.
looking at?
Man, salon. Come on, we'll let it fall with it. So guys, we are ready. We are going on a family, I can't even call it lunch, it's still lunch. It's a very, very, very late lunch. Late lunch early now. So we're heading out now to go get some food. Alright guys, so we're here at Sky Beach. Gonna get some fish. Having lunch with the fam. Hello, I'm good. How you doing? So we're here having lunch with the family. That's Manda right over there, so that's my mother right there, so right by the seaside.
Since you're a couple, let me start with your bill first.
Oh God, I feel away. So guys, we're here at Sky Beach. We have Manda at the surface. We have Ian also not the chef business. Yeah, you want fish now?
I'm not sure.
We're gonna look on the menu. If you want fish, you have to go choose the fish now. No, the menu is there. I want fish. You want fish?
Mommy want fish too?
Yeah.
So, mommy.
Alright guys, so we're about to choose fish. I guess you have to choose the one that you want to eat. And then cook it how you want it. So we're waiting. I'm choosing that fish over there, so. What you want? Look on the menu, whatever is on the menu there. Oh. Wait. Oh, people, this is my cousin.
Oh.
This is Lincoln. Camera shy. This is for real.
For real, for real.
Sing good up boy over there, so. Walk up in a video light, Carrie. Yeah.
Can you not go eat it all?
This is for you?
Alright, hold on. She told me not to eat stuff.
That you're not going to eat it all. Yeah, one on the foot.
That one there? That one there.
Oh, you want this to be done?
Steam.
Give me the other one beside the steam as well.
Fried bunny?
Fried bunny.
How many servings?
Which one?
One serving of the fried bunny or two?
How much in the serving?
4 slices in one.
Four
small.
You can't take one. Four small. You're supposed to small.
Yeah, then small.
Alright, the 2 serving.
Alright, 2 servings.
The fried bunny?
Yeah.
One fry, one steam.
Come on, look over here.
Yeah,
I'll pull them up at the gas station and get this from here.
But I ask, you know, say it's seasonal, but I ask if they have.
Well, me want fish, there are other things on the menu that you can order if you want.
Yes,
Fish because
same steam?
oh yeah, but that's big. You don't eat that?
What do you mean?
Yeah, they don't have to take over taking it. Yeah, man, they want a spicy one.
All of them spicy.
But you know, sir. Steam, right?
Anything you want. You don't look at me.
Oh, you have a Yankee a while ago, Mama.
Sorry.
Watch all the niceness, yeah.
Oh, hold on.
The mask thing, though. Yeah, they had a smile out hell, don't.
What?
Yeah. Trying to make nothing at all.
What happened?
Come. Come.
Oh, what's that one ago?
Eh? Mommy, go on.
What is it? Try to have
It's a family affair. Now that video. Yeah.
Like inside, you know, come and go to
All of that something I catch.
So guys, we're at Sky Beach with the family.
Beach in the sky.
See them there? We're gonna have fun. We're gonna do some steamed fish. You don't belong.
You look so.
You don't belong. Think of the uncomfortable character put in a video so I could start it. That's what I tell you.
You're not hungry?
You have food to eat?
But yeah, you got to look at strength.
You have food to eat? Not worry about me and my strength. I have flat appetite. Can you shut up and trace you? Think I'm gonna try and do an argument.
That's not me.
You're not hungry? You eat?
You cook.
You eat?
Then you cook.
Alright.
Pepper too. I can't think I can wear up.
Oh, why you just see? Straight up, so. Look again.
I'm gonna show them my black head.
But this view is. Well, everyone will be supposed. When I put that dog, I straight at the place. You see, if the dog gets everybody in a Mystic Mountain free. In a Mystic Mountain free yesterday, I have to pay 30,000 and I have to go in. And the dog in there just a walk. I Ask him, mommy. I'm making about ask him.
Probably we can.
I'm making about ask that woman.
You care, man?
You never know so somebody live up there. Some house, yeah, say people live up there.
People live up where?
Yeah, fine.
People live up where?
No more.
I never see that.
Somebody found ground up there.
I never see that. So I know something look up to my surroundings. And I see there's somebody that kidnapped me yesterday. We were far behind me. We just dropped the ATV. No girl.
You do it?
You did?
Especially the last one.
Respect you. Are you brave?
Instead of pushing you like that, then
And drop it.
so you feel like
You never piss up?
Drop in the water.
No, in the ear.
No, like,
Like this, the line hold you, but then just drop it instead of push you.
you know what was that?
Did you do the ragamuffin?
no, I'm still not doing that.
Tell him what ragamuffin.
It's ragabad. It's ragabad.
ATV.
The bobsled, you know that?
We did a bobsled. I'm a stream on the backside.
I
Yesterday.
never in the front.
Eh? I mean, then I thought, no, she did control me. All she did the run, I said, this is not, I can't do this.
No, I don't like this.
I don't like this, no.
I don't like
No,
this.
no. No, it's a wild man. Hey,
And it's the flying with the mother.
no, it's me. Listen, they kind of have a flat foot, right? It's if I move up on the flat there, girl start scream. I'm not normal. When they bring her on that corner, so I feel like we don't jump over and sit, but you know, let them scream. The ragamuffin one, that is a death trap. It's like it looks like a roller coaster, and you sit down and then it go and then go fling you out so. That is
That's what
strange.
they call rubber.
I don't know, man.
What about the rap tonight?
I didn't get a chance with me and chance to that because
Yeah, wait, we're gonna leave. So, we never get to do that analysis.
but I don't want to do the rock climbing. But she a VIP out here.
Goods couldn't wait. Goods going out.
Look, ask what people them do to the fish them. I don't know who did this. It's not my place. I don't know who did this. Rubber fish come here, all of a sudden this left.
Turn up the camera.
No, we don't want it.
Turn up the camera now.
I thought that
Yeah.
money no.
No, sir. Yeah, mash up it.
Yeah, man, Lord,
Hey,
and
listen,
God.
I understand. The people when they make money now, then come it's only for something,
That's what we know.
and all of a sudden, yeah, move too friendly now, no?
Man, I waste the fish. Watch out. You don't know how fish supposed to eat. See? This is
When
halfway.
we want to shark with you,
This is
man.
how fish eat. This is how baby eat fish. Fish eat. Baby eat fish. What's up? Look up at 10 finger.
Yeah, sample, you
The
know.
food was good. Maybe I have to race it with the wind, but people, the food is
I'm
good.
going to take you for one shark one of them. Yeah, shark if you want, shark if you want.
But I'm play the food. That's a Kesha shall have a
Mash up,
special,
man.
a special plate for the bone. Skeleton in a one plate.
Yeah.
Fresh in the next one.
Yeah.
Alright, you know.
They said that they have to play with no food.
No.
Sure.
Yeah, balling up your food.
She play bass, no play food. We love it.
You're full of lyrics. man.
Copyright that. I fish.
All King's entertainment are up top. And see if we can get a studio session.
We come on
Yeah,
it.
man, I
Carrie still in the film at the goats.
Carry on.
He look like him boss, but he must say, yo, let me try again.
Fish with me.
No, sir.
Everybody good so far. No, right so far? Yeah. When you're ready, you can leave me here.
I mean, you can carry bill camera. People. Look my apple. Potato apple. This is what we eat in Jamaica as our apples.
1, 2,
This is what my brother
1, 2,
got for me today.
and we got some apple for auntie.
Ooh, kitchen.
So 1, 2, 3, 4.
And get guava too?
Huh?
Jesus, I'm gonna have a feast right now. I'm gonna be full. What could I
1,
cause this?
2, 3,
He brought this for me when we were actually getting ready to go for
1, 2, 3,
going for lunch, or a very late lunch, and we couldn't stop because we were running a little bit late. But my mother, because apple just now, I'm saying no. I have to show the people what they going in here. They have Jimbalin. This is what they call. Let me show you. They call this Jimbalin, aka star fruit. Yeah. These are coming straight off, directly off trees this today. So we got a couple of those in there. I got one mango. What a mango your name? You name mango. I don't know what. Trashy mango. Oh, this is one of my favorites.
It's not mama, it's not my favorite. You're my tooth, it's mango.
So that's the mango. No, mine's in my background, people. Really naked body. Alright, what else in here? And guava. Hold on. Guava, people. Yeah. So my body, my fancy, somebody wants some fruits. And my brother make it happen. Tasting more apple, more star fruit. I want more guava. Couple more guava in there too. So you know what that mean? Me, I gotta have colic tonight. Me, I gotta eat up apple. My belly full, like we just had a large fish. I had steamed fish, as you guys can see. I've look another coming on my video lights.
Oh, Lord.
Ah, the video lights.
Auntie, what
So-
are you doing?
I am going to see if she start me up. I'm gonna watch a bit more, a big one here. No, for a big one here. Yes. No, if you ever. She stopped me. I'm perfectly fine. I'm about to go brush my teeth before my bed. And she stopped me up. So me I go eat apple. I might not eat it. I might not eat no star apple tonight, but I need to taste at least one guava. What is name? Not star apple, star fruit. Sorry, not star apple, star fruit, aka Jimbalin. And we'll leave the mango for tomorrow. So don't be jealous. I'm gonna clean up apple things.
At this time of the night?
Alright, clean up after phone. Whoa! Look here, man. Be careful. We have the insurance on here.
Not in a full one.
Your phone?
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, the ice cream medicine. Oh, what I wanna? Then tell me, look what your coconut. Apple. Fresh and nice.
And that's why nobody knows to get ice cream. Can you stuff no face apple?
And then ang coconut, you have ice cream chocolate as well. They go to the door. So what do people call it tonight? Even though they don't call it now. Nala coconut and ice cream man, they roll past skin. Alright guys, so we're back home again. Another day, we're beat. Lunch was awesome. Stopped by, visited some people, and we're home now. So now I want you to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Like, share, and comment. Tell a friend to tell a friend.
And subscribers.
And subscribe. I can't believe I have 3 more days left here before we go back to reality. It's crazy. Like, the week just started and it's already done. Jamaica is very, 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 very expensive. My money done already, people. My money done already. Complexion gone, sunburn me up. But I'm having a lot of fun. I'm excited. I'm here with my family. I can't wait to get back to my other family. My kids have missed them so much. So anyway, subscribe, like, share, comment. Until later. Bye bye.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say when me feel for say.